Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome watch faces by Mr. Time. He's giving away tons of watch faces, so stay tuned. You gotta check this one out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and we got some awesome watch faces by Mr. Time for you all to check out. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It doesn't have a time limit in it, but to be on the safe side, download it right away. Make sure you share these watch faces with everyone. Now there's 3 different watch face designs in all, or can I say there's 12 watch face design in all, because you get 4 watch faces in each one. And we're gonna check out watch face number 1, which is called Legion number 13. This one is nice. Now this one here, the first one we're going to take a look at, is called Gold Sprinkle. Now I like the layout, I like the design and the uniqueness of this watch face. I like the look of what's going on around the bezel of the watch. Now this could be considered a daytime watch face, but I'm thinking you can get away with wearing it whether it's nighttime or daytime. Now if you look on the center inside of the watch, you have the day of the week. A unique placement for that. It has the needle to point out what day of the week it is. You come down, you get the information for what month it is, and you also get another analog clock within this watch face. I'm loving the look of the background. Gives you kind of a outer space galaxy type of look. This isn't bad at all. I'm loving the look and style of this watch face. But let's check out watch face number 2 within this watch face. Hit the arrow. Normally you can hit check. I normally tap on the watch face and it brings up this one. This one is called Satellite. Very nice look, very casual / dressy look as well. And you get your battery info, you get the day of the week, and you get a couple of nice hands, the hour and the minute hand. The second hand even looks nice. I like the way it glows and that it stands out as well. So this one here, not a bad look at all by Mr. Time. Let's check out watch face number 3 within this watch face. And this one is definitely going to be a daytime watch face, a very unique way to tell time. You get a few dials. Now you get the day of the week in here, and you also get your battery percentage, you get your date info. Not bad at all. Nice offer. Let's check out the last one. Now the last one is going to be simple, but yet different. Now, for those of you all who like a digital watch face, this one is nice. Give you your digital time in big bold numbers. You also get your date in big bold numbers as well. And you get your battery info in a meter. Not a bad look at all, but if you look to the right, you also get a unique way to get your seconds. And I thought that animation was a nice added touch to such a simple watch face. All right, you all, what do you think? I'm liking them. You can't beat this with a baseball bat at all. But with that being said, let's go on. Let's check out watch face number 2. Number 2 is called Legion number 16. Now this one is nice. The very first one is called Vintage Gold. Very simple, very basic analog look with a few dials. You get one that's going to give you the day of the week. The other one's going to give you a battery percentage. And the other one is pretty much a 24-hour time. Now you also get the date with this one. And this one can be worn, I want to say, dressy and or super casual. It's a nice analog watch face look. The next one is called Dashboard. Dashboard, I think I like a little bit better than number 1. This one, I like the layout, the uniqueness in design, the unique way to tell time. Not a bad look at all. You're going to get your battery percentage. The second hand is animated. This is not bad at all. I like the design overall. Let's check out watch face number 3. And this one, it's going to be more so your traditional watch face with Roman numerals going around the bezel of the watch. And this could be more so considered as a daytime watch face more so than a nighttime watch face. What do you think? I'm liking this one. Now this one is called Basic 1. Let's check out the last one. And this one here is more so your fun watch face. Very colorful, very nice. Digital time at the top. Very legible, and you get your battery percentage along with an animated second hand that's going on the right side of the watch. Down at the bottom, you got your date. Not bad. I'm liking this look, and it's animated. So as the seconds go, if you look around the bezel of the watch, it's kind of colorful. You can see a little bit of an animation going on there. Thought that was a nice touch. Not bad for Legion number 16. Again, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of all these watch faces. With that, let's check out watch face number 3. Oh, this one is called V-Lock. Forgot to tell you. All right, let's check out number 2. This one is called Legion number 22. This one is also nice. Now, the very first one is called Chrono Black, a very basic looking analog watch face that's going to help save on your battery life. You get a few dials, you do get the day of the week, and you also do get your battery info. So it's not a bad look so far as a basic analog watch face look. But let's go on. Let's check out watch face number 2 that I think you'll like a lot better. This one here is called Backlight. Very nice looking, dress up analog watch face. Nice look. It has an emerald look to it. You get very legible dials. You get battery percentage. You also get the days of the week, and you also get your 24-hour time to the right. This is not bad. I like this one over number 1, but check this one out. I'm going to tap right here, and I can change the theme of this watch face. Now, I thought that was awesome for this one, and tap it again. It gives you another look, whichever one you want to play. So it seems as though you get more than 4 watch faces in this one. What do you think? I think this is awesome. Let's check out watch face number 3. Now, number 3 looks nice. Another daytime watch face look with, you got some stars going on in the left-hand corner of the watch face. So this one probably is for, let's say, a holiday weekend. It's not a bad look. You get your day, you get your date. You also get battery info down at the bottom. Now, this is a nice, decent, analog, traditional look, but it has a touch of modernness to it as well. I like it. Again, the question is, how do you like it? All right, let's check out the last but not least, watch face number 4. Another basic analog watch face with digital time down at the bottom. Very nice look. Another daytime watch face. If you're out and the sun is shining, this would be the watch face to wear. All right, you all. The name of this one is called D Basic. The last one I didn't get to tell you was called New York Starlight. All the watch faces that just got reviewed are awesome. Again, they're free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Download right away. In spite of the fact that it doesn't have a time limit on it, I think it is worth the download. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Enjoy the rest of your holiday, and I will see you all again at the next one. Take care.